Namaste. Namaste. Namaste.
नमस्ते सर, कैसे हैं आप?
Enjoying. How are you? So, Saksham is doing great job. You have children with you permanent, or you go and serve in different societies? Otherwise, you are into business, right? What do you do? You are into business or what?
इनिशियली बहुत लॉ लेवल स्टेज पे ही है अभी, क्योंकि जो वो बनाते हैं फिर उनको सेल करने का रहता है, तो जितना डिमांड आता है उतना ही हम प्रोडक्शन करवाते हैं।
Okay. So, what else? What can be done?
अपने लेवल पे सर भी कोशिश कर रही हूँ ज्यादा से ज्यादा ये ग्रो करे बिजनेस की, उनको भी रोजगार मिलेगा, क्योंकि डिमांड बढ़ेगी डेफिनेटली तभी एम्प्लॉयमेंट भी बढ़ेगा। क्योंकि मैं यहाँ पे प्रोडक्शन कराऊँ और डिमांड नहीं जाएगा, मार्केट में सप्लाई नहीं होगा, तो फिर दोनों चीजें नहीं हो पाएंगी, क्योंकि मुझे भी रॉ मटेरियल आगे से खरीद के उनको देना पड़ता है, तो उसके बाद बहुत सारा काम रहता है। स्पाइसेस में लगभग 30 स्पाइसेस हमने रेंज निकाली है। ज्यादातर लोग अभी तो यही देख रही हूँ सर कि बहुत सारे लूज में भी खरीदना चाह रहे हैं, कुछ पैकिंग में भी लेना चाह रहे हैं। अभी हम मॉडर्न ट्रेड में भी नहीं गए हैं, मॉडरेट में भी अगर हमें जाना है तो वहाँ पे भी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, अभी होगा। लेकिन अभी ये है कि जो लिंक है अपने कनेक्शन के थ्रू हम धीरे धीरे उसको बढ़ा रहे हैं, स्लोली कर रहे हैं। कुछ ऐसे हमने एक स्कीम भी निकाली है, कुछ अगर अदर स्टेट से या किसी भी डिस्ट्रिक्ट से कोई भी लेडी अगर ऐसी है घर में रह के काम करना चाहती है बट नहीं कर सकती है, तो उनको हमने 5000 में फ्रेंचाइजी मॉडल हमने तैयार करके दिया है, जिसमें 1000 को हम केवल फीस चार्ज करते हैं, 4000 को उनको मटेरियल देते हैं, और फैक्ट्री प्राइस पे वो 50% का मार्जिन दे सकती है। तो ऐसे अभी 3-4 लेडीज अभी जुड़ी हैं अपने साथ में, तो उनका भी अभी ये है कि उनके लिए भी नया ही है, पहले वो भी अपना मार्केट उधर तैयार करेंगे तो उनके भी सप्लाई ज्यादा बढ़ेगी। ये है। बाकी एनजीओ में तो सर हमारे अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम्स ही हैं जो ज्यादा से ज्यादा चल रहे हैं। अभी तो हम एनवायरनमेंट पे फोकस कर रहे हैं, गो ग्रीन करके हैं, तो इसमें हम बच्चों को इंटर्नशिप भी करा रहे हैं, और यहाँ फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट के कुछ ऑफिसर्स हैं जिसका सहयोग मुझे मिल रहा है, उनकी सपोर्ट से हम ले जाके वर्कशॉप्स वगैरह कराते हैं, कुछ प्लांट्स भी डोनेट करते हैं, फिर उनके प्लांट्स की पूरा केयर रहती है, मेंटेनेंस वगैरह करना। तो यूनिवर्सिटीज और कॉलेजेस में हमको स्पेस वो दे देते हैं सपोर्ट करने के लिए, और 5-6 महीने तक ही हमारा प्रोग्राम चलता है।
Nice, 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 nice. Very good.
थैंक यू सर।
Very good. So, Abhi, how is the climate in Jaipur? Feeling cold or what?
बहुत ज्यादा ठंड है सर, आज का टेम्परेचर 6 था मॉर्निंग में।
Okay.
सर
So you keep busy.
दिन में सही रहता है, दिन में सही हो जाता है, जब काम का टाइम होता है तो बढ़िया हो जाता है।
So you keep yourself busy generally.
यस सर।
Good. I was there in Jaipur maybe some time back. In 2009 I came once, I think. Almost 12 years now.
ओके यस सर, 2009 में ही मैं इधर आई थी सर।
Okay. आप कहाँ से हैं originally?
बेसिकली सर मैं यूपी मेरठ से हूँ।
Oh, I used to come to Meerut, Translam School.
ओह
Many times. Translam School, and there is one hotel management college was there.
यस
उधर भी आया था मैंने बहुत बार.
ओके 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 फाइन।
Translam teachers training, students programs, both maybe 3-4 times I came. मैं दिल्ली.
सेंट जोसेफ डिग्री कॉलेज से मैंने ग्रेजुएशन किया है वहाँ से।
Okay.
और उसके बाद में मेरा फिर पीजी और पीएचडी दोनों बनस्थली से हुआ, तो मैं 2009 से यहीं पर ही हूँ, और शादी मेरी बुलंदशहर हुई, फिर उसके बाद में फिर इधर ही वापस शिफ्ट हो गए, इधर ही सब काम कर रहे हैं।
जयपुर उसके बाद भी आया था मैं एक बार, but that was for general sightseeing and something.
अच्छा शहर है, बढ़िया है।
Good, nice place. Most beautiful princess of the world. गायत्री देवी का जगह है ना.
यस
I think मेरा पोएट्री में भी मैं लिखा है जयपुर विजिट के बारे में, गायत्री देवी के बारे में.
जी सर, आपकी प्रोफाइल देखी मैं बहुत ज्यादा इम्प्रेस थी। मुझे लगा कि मतलब हम बहुत सारे ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम करते हैं।
ये कोविड के टाइम पे वही कर रहा है मैं रोज, मे बी वी विल हैव लॉट ऑफ डिस्कशंस। मैं रिटायरमेंट 2009 में आई वाज विद मनमोहन सिंह प्राइम मिनिस्टर, and then I deputy director in cabinet secretariat. I took my retirement. Directly I went to Kerala,
Okay.
a small village where mostly children don't pass 10th class exam भी pass नहीं होता है वो लोग. But then I picked up them and then took them, taught them English. वो मलयालम मीडियम में था, वो I converted them into English medium. It was in 2011, 2010-11. अभी 10 साल हो गया. So 8th class बच्चे थे वो लोग. 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. Graduation 3 years, post graduation. अभी 2-3 students joined for PhD abroad also.
Okay. Fine, sir.
Normal lowest class children था वो.
Okay.
Neither teachers nor parents feel that their children will study. Many of them got into masters in engineering, got into national institutions. Some of them got job already into local schools teaching job. Viproka project basics of them got joined. So I always believe that if children are given sufficient, but usko that attitude should be there. There are a lot of children in this country where every facility is there but attitude is not there.
Yes, sir.
That needs a high motivation. If that is there, I am sure. So that needs a regular contact, drilling. एक बार लेक्चर देख के नेक्स्ट लेक्चर आने के बाद वो चले जाता हूँ.
नहीं एक्चुअली सर यहाँ पे मैंने देखा है गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स में तो मेरा रेगुलर जाना रहता है क्योंकि सभी ट्रैफिक रूल्स हैं, एनवायरनमेंट की प्रोटेक्शन, से नो टू प्लास्टिक एंड हाउ टू रीयूज रिड्यूस, ये सब मटेरियल का है, क्राफ्ट मटेरियल्स के लिए जाते हैं, गुड टच बैड टच की कंटिन्यू हमारे सेशंस होते हैं. तो सर मैंने एक चीज नोटिस की है, स्टाफ है 5-6 स्टाफ है जनरली हर स्कूल में, बहुत अच्छी उनका सैलरी भी है, वो क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉई है तो डेफिनेटली अच्छा सैलरी पैकेज भी होगा. बट सर उनका कुछ भी इन्वॉल्वमेंट नहीं रहता है. मतलब मैं यहाँ पे बुराई नहीं कर रही, मतलब एक मुझे ऐसा फीलिंग हुआ है कि मतलब इतना अच्छा आपको सैलरी मिल रही है तो सर उनको कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं होता, क्योंकि हम कुछ जाके मैं कुछ नया नहीं करती हूँ, मैं कुछ नया नहीं कर रही, ये सब चीजें सबको मालूम है, वो उनकी चीजों में सिलेबस भी नहीं है. लेकिन अगर आप छुट्टी के टाइम पे 15-20 मिनट पहले बच्चों को आप एक साथ बैठा के उनको कुछ अच्छी सी एक्टिविटीज कराते हैं तो बच्चे बहुत खुश होते हैं और वो इन्वॉल्व भी होते हैं. ऐसी बात नहीं हो सीखना नहीं चाहते. गवर्नमेंट स्कूल में देखा बहुत इंटेलिजेंट बच्चे हैं बट सर उनको अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिल रही. अब एक ये होता है ना कि लोहा खोटा कुछ लोहार खोटा, गाइडेंस नहीं.
डॉक्टर शिल्पी उसका रीजन ये है environment problem, plastic problem, green problem. This is not problem for people who are suffering for poverty with income, living expenses कैसे, जीना कैसा है, how do they get a job, उसके लिए ये problem नहीं होता है. These are all problem with high profile people. United Nations will declare there is a problem of plastic. Actually इंडिया का प्रॉब्लम इज नॉट प्लास्टिक, इंडिया का प्रॉब्लम फूड का है. Got it? So what gets, see generally if you television switch on करे तो what advertisement you will see? Advertisement will be seen on the cream which you put on the face to become white. Correct? See maybe the best soap, toilet soap, but that is not India's demand. What is being advertised in the world is not India's demand at all. Greenery is not India's problem. In terms of greenery, what do you plant? You plant some green tree. Green tree is not India's problem. खाने के लिए कुछ मिल रहा है, वो that plantation is what is required. Do you know when you get one plate of rice, 1 kg rice, cooked rice on your table, how much is the expenditure? आपको पता है क्या? How much is the expenditure? I am not asking about the cost. The cost is selling cost is different, price is different.
Yes, sir.
Correct. The price may be very less. 2 रुपये के लिए भी राइस मिलता है इंडिया में.
Yes, yes, sir.
But 2 रुपये के लिए nobody can produce 1 kg rice in this country. उसका मेहनत देखो आप. The price which you have to give to that person who is working on that. The land cost देखना है. Land cost also has to be added kada. And then you have to add the water cost. If you add all these, 1 kg rice will cost 3,000 rupees.
Yes, sir.
But why government is giving for 2 rupees? See, people don't understand. People don't understand.
issue.
People don't understand this
Yes.
problem. Why people don't understand? Because you don't value it. Why you don't value it? Because we are not educating our children right sense. Okay, unnecessarily we see there are lot of issues in this world which are popularized by rich countries. Warming problem is not a problem. अभी ठंड लग रहा है आपको जयपुर पे. Where is global warming? Global warming is not a problem. Greenery is not a problem. Food is problem. Making food is not a problem in India. We manufacture, we agriculture is much more than what is required. But transportation is a problem. Correct? So our education system, why teachers are not interested? They know this. They know even if you do it, even if you support you, they are not going to get extra some benefit. They are rich. They got sufficient money. They know how to live.
Yes, sir.
See, we can tell don't use water bottle, don't use plastic. But do you have another way to give clean water today? Maybe bolta hu, okay, don't use water bottle. But when I travel in train, I have to buy. Because we don't have clean drinking water available anywhere otherwise. If I come to Jaipur, 100% I will drink only bottled water.
Yes, sir. Yes.
You come to Hyderabad, you will drink only bottled drinking water. You will not drink the water given by the hotel fellow. Correct or not?
Yes.
Yeah, because we cannot help it. So we are not making basic changes, we are not making.
Yes.
Because basic changes have to be not made by you or me. It has to be done by government. So what is to be done? We need our, see, in the same school, you are talking about don't drink water in plastic. Is there a facility to clean the water and then provide water in pipes, clean water provision? Nobody does it. So we are not looking at basic solutions. We invest a lot of time. We do lot of activities. But basic requirements, understanding that and how to provide it. That's a big concern. India is a very rich country. Very rich country. The richest of the rich people, 100
Yes.
world richest 100 people if you take, 60 people are from India.
Yes.
Correct? Ambani hai, there are a lot of people.
Yes, yes.
There are a lot
A
of
lot
people
of-
in the
long list, long
whole
list.
world. They are the richest. Our temples
Yes.
are rich. Our palaces are richest and richest places. The land cost in India is much higher than the land cost in America.
Yes, sir.
Correct? But we are having nearly 80% of the people are poor. They don't have money to eat. We don't have money to provide a job. So the first part what you said, giving some item, asking them to do job, marketing it to get into the public. That is a beautiful system. I liked it. Right? We need to have small setup industries where, and then we have a lot of policies coming. I believe in young children getting educated well.
Yes.
Childhood, children at the age of 3,
Yes.
age of 3 to grade 3. No online, nothing will work. Age 3, क्या online देंगे आप?
Yes, sir.
So what is to be done is you can have small groups of family groups locally. No travel on vehicle. Close by some small facility. 10 family can sit together and learn. Make their children to learn. No education is required. Little common sense. At least 5 ladies are with common sense. They can teach their children around. Because they don't have to sing English songs. Local, maybe our own language, our own cooking mechanism, our own cultivation, small garden to create around their house. That will make these children to keep hands with the mud, plant something, grow their own plant. So next generation, they will become sensible. You don't have to teach them. Otherwise, we keep on teaching, maybe grade 8 to 12 we teach them. By the time they are very focused on education, they don't bother all this. They will forget again because childhood they did not learn. I think we need money making program for people who are poor. That is what, maybe 50% of the India is not even connected to internet like this. We are all lucky because we are in city, we are connected. See, I ask my, India we have, without servant maid we cannot live. Correct? Why servant maids are available in India? Why people are affordable keeping servant maids? Because we have poor people around. Otherwise nobody will go to somebody's house for washing. Correct? So I asked my servant maid, they are living in city, but they don't have even an internet connection, classes are not there. Many government schools, they don't even run classes, but still they get salary. Teachers get salary because they know that no connection, students are not attending. Our education system maximum is private, lot of investment in private. Most of the colleges are private. Most of the tuition centers are also growing. That is because our education in the government is not growing. Why is it not growing? Few teachers getting huge salary. Many teachers are not even posted.
Yes. So, so do you have any plan to conduct here?
See, I am available as a person. If somebody want to make some activity, really plan something, I will be coming and doing it.
Okay. So, can we make some proposals regarding on this topic?
Yeah, we can.
Okay. So, sir, can you please provide me some details?
See, generally what do I do is,
ask me to elaborate.
yeah, we need to have a group of youth who will work. Jobless youth, a lot of people will be there.
Okay.
Graduates say, but they don't know what to be done.
Yes, there are lots of people. Actually, there are lots of volunteers are connected with me.
Yeah. See, they
And
need,
they are also continuously asking with me, ma'am, do you have any vacancies? We want to work with you. But due to some financial problems, I am helpless. Sir, because frankly, I am speaking because without funds, how I can elaborate any kind of issues.
see, actually we need those volunteers to guide them to make their own plans to make money.
Yes.
Correct? But what are the inputs required for them? Directions can be given. Oh, these are the ways to make. I told you just now, every child age 3 to grade 3, they are worried about their education.
Yes, sir.
A graduate or not even a good student also can guide young children.
Yes.
We can educate them, we can make them good, tell them what is to be done. So, small craft, maybe small activities which bring them knowledge, make them good. So, such small local groups can be created and they can become actually teachers. When I become a teacher, definitely I will also become clean.
Yes.
I will keep thinking because teachers cannot be bad in this world. And
Yes, sir.
lot of parents also get educated indirectly. So we can have those people who are now today, because of this COVID, what we can do is, we have a group of people who are entrepreneurs, they want to start themselves. Kya chahiye? They need only a place. They need some volunteership. I am going to set up an institute under my area.
Okay, fine.
One room is good enough. One 10 by 12 by 12 room. Can we have
Yes, we have.
age 3?
We have.
We have age 3 to grade 3 children can be gathered there. What can be taught? You can charge them also because every parent like to put the children not without fees.
Yes.
Give some minimum fees so that will give salary to young people who are ready. They don't have to spend full morning 9 o'clock to 5 o'clock tak zaroorat bhi nahi hai. Maybe somebody can do from 9 to 12. Somebody can do from 12 to 2. Somebody can do from 2 to 5. So 3 shift. 3 hours, 3 hours, 3 hours. So engagement bhi hota hai. Then the children also will not get bored with one fellow. The people also will not get bored. Full time बच्चों के लिए पालन करना full time is a big job.
Big job. Yes, sir.
Correct. So 3 hours, maybe 2-3 people together. So you are actually employing 3 into 3, 9 people.
Yes.
Correct. And whatever income they get, they can be distributed to them. So how to educate these people? That probably the guidance can be given. This is what you should do. This is what you should do. This is what items we have to bring for doing lot of activity. Usme craft hota hai. Where you can get this? That also there are lot of websites available where I can learn craft.
Okay.
Correct. And those items probably you have to display and make the children to be active. That can be dance, that can be music. Everything has to be there. So today we don't have, at least to show that Jaipur children, these are the basic. Jaipur has beautiful dance. Elders, when they play, if there is a mistake, everybody will laugh at them. I am sure young children do the same thing, no mistakes. Even mistakes are there, people don't care. But what do we do? Only when there is a school annual festival, we display them. Before that, 1 week. No, it should be everyday activity. Children should learn, play, make activities, do craft, enjoy that every day. Once they are there,
Yes, sir.
their language skill will improve. Right? There may be at least 3 different language people in that area who must have got migrated from somewhere. Maybe Rajasthani will be there, Hindi will be there, English could be there. So young children age 3 to grade 3, if they learn few languages, they will become very
Yes,
good
yes.
in the life.
Yes, yes.
And mathematics,
बेसिक स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. बेसिक
Yeah.
स्ट्रॉन्ग होना बहुत जरूरी है. इवन मॉरल एजुकेशन आल्सो, सर.
and we can give lot of learning tools for mathematics, physics, chemistry, everything they can understand.
मेरा बेबी है, 5 years old है, बेबी बॉय है. 2 years अभी लॉकडाउन में वो घर ही रहा है. अभी जैसे ही नर्सरी स्टार्ट हुआ, 1 year ही वो गया नर्सरी, और 2 years वो घर पे रहा. अब डायरेक्ट उसको फर्स्ट में मुझे भेजना पड़ा. एंड मुझे इतनी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है उसके साथ में, इवन क्योंकि स्कूल वालों का जो एम है सर, ओनली कोर्स पूरा कराना है.
That's it.
वो पढ़ा रहे हैं. बच्चों को कुछ समझ आया नहीं आया, उनको कोई मतलब नहीं है. बच्चों को प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं तो पीटीएम में बुला के वो मुझे ही सुनाते हैं कि आपका बच्चा ये नहीं करता. क्यों नहीं करता, इसको कोई बात नहीं होती है. अब मैंने क्या किया है सर, उसको नर्सरी के लेवल से ही स्टार्ट किया. इवन लॉकडाउन में तो हमारा चलता ही था. अभी उसको प्रैक्टिस रिटेन पे बहुत आ रही है, क्योंकि लर्निंग अच्छा है उसका. रिटेन में बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम है. कन्विंसिंग पावर उसका इतना बहुत हो गया है, क्योंकि बोर्ड पे नोट डाउन करने वाला घर पे नहीं रहा, तो हैबिट नहीं है उसका बोर्ड पे देखना, नोटबुक में लिखना, फिर बोर्ड पे देखना, वहां पे उसकी स्पीड स्लो हो जाती है। बेसिक स्कूल में क्लासरूम में कैसे एडजस्ट होना चाहिए, बच्चे को बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, तो वो एक्सेप्टेड है, मैंने उसको एक्सेप्ट किया कि 2 साल से बच्चा अगर घर में रहेगा, क्योंकि लर्निंग स्टेज तो उसकी सर घर में निकल गई है। जो सोशल एडजस्टमेंट था, स्कूल एडजस्टमेंट था, वो सीखेगा कब, जब स्कूल जाएगा तब ना, स्कूल वो गया नहीं है। तो बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, और मुझे लगता है इस दौरान जो लॉकडाउन में इस एज ग्रुप के जो भी बच्चे हैं, सबको ही ये प्रॉब्लम आ रही हो।
That's what I was telling.
यस दैट्स माय प्रैक्टिकल
I know. See, that is why during COVID मेरा एक पुराना 2005 का एक एक्टिविटी था, ग्रैंडमा चाइल्ड केयर सेंटर। वो ग्रैंडमा चाइल्ड केयर सेंटर एक सेंटर केरला में इनॉग्रेट करके रखा था, सैंपल जैसा। बाद में आई डिड नॉट थिंक अबाउट इट, बट कोविड आने के टाइम पे आई वाज ऑलवेज पुशिंग, वी नीड सच सेंटर्स, otherwise children at age 3 to grade 3, see their growth level will become down if they would have opened up, correct?
इवन मेरा बड़ा बेटा है, वो बीटेक कर रहा है, उसका प्रॉब्लम है, उसको कॉलेज नहीं जाना है, उसको घर पे रह के ही पढ़ना है।
No, that see the world changes
क्योंकि
like that.
उसको आदत हो गया है 2 साल से ऑनलाइन क्लास पढ़ के,
They will enjoy.
घर में चिटिंग, इवन मैं फ्रेंड भी बोलती हूँ उसको, मैं तुम चिटिंग करके पास हो रहे हो, तो कोई पास नहीं है, तुम अपने आप को धोखा दे रहे हो, मैं फ्रेंकली उसको बोलती हूँ। लेकिन क्या करें, अब सिचुएशंस हैं, उसके अकॉर्डिंग बच्चे भी ऐसी ग्रो कर रहे हैं, तो वो मेहनत क्यों करेंगे?
No,
जब
I was teaching in a university here, BTech students. उसको I give 10 problems, 5 problems इंटरनेट से कॉपी करके देता हूँ, 5 प्रॉब्लम्स मैं खुद क्रिएट करके सिंपलेस्ट प्रॉब्लम दिया तो ये 5 प्रॉब्लम आंसर नहीं कर पाएगा, वो करके वो हैप्पी हो जाता है। 50% कर दिया मैंने। आई सेड नो, यू हैव 0% बिकॉज वो आपको टेस्टिंग के लिए दिया था। ये एक्चुअल टेस्ट है, मैथमेटिक्स टेस्ट। ये आपका आप कॉपी कर रहा है बोल के वो टेस्ट करने के लिए दिया है, उसको मार्क नहीं है, 0 मार्क देता मैं। एवरीबडी they know how to copy it and post it, but they don't know how to solve problems. Oh, internet has taught them how to copy. Internet did not teach them mathematics, physics, chemistry, English. कुछ भी नहीं सिखाया। That's a problem. So we need such centers can be started where they can make money. They will get involved. When you teach, automatically you will start thinking. And only 3 hours, the rest of the things, basic things they are doing, they will also enjoy. Rest of the things they have to prepare for higher education, like where to educate. So a lot of open schooling programs are there, MOOC programs. They can register and start learning, get more knowledge. Their standard will improve. So open school is a big solution. So we could discuss with some group of people who are interested to start that, motivate them, right? So we feel okay, at least 10 people or maybe 20 people got a job. They are doing some good job for the society, because we don't know corona problem, when are we going to solve, right?
yes.
And the whole world, school education is not important. Up to now people are looking for, even government of India decided age 3 to grade 3 informal education, but it is not implemented in the school because teachers are not trained. Or training hote bhi nahi, it will never happen. So how to solve this problem? Some volunteer has to come and then tell this is how education system has to be. So sample बना के रखे तो probably tomorrow government will come and tell you already made a sample, why can't you train our teachers also? So gradually we can influence the education process. So
That's very good idea.
So we can plan something and then tell we will do it online as long as online is okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll discuss with my board members too, and I will make a group of volunteers, and we'll be connected with you again.
We can do it online and then teach them what is to be done, and then.
Yes. I. Thank you so much, sir.
Where do you stay in Jaipur? आप कहाँ रहते हैं जयपुर?
Sorry.
Where do you stay?
Jagatpura. Jagatpura.
Okay. Every day I have some program, so I keep posting. Tomorrow Saturday 7:30 I have got a music program.
Okay, fine.
Every Saturday what we do is 7:30 we Indian time 7:30 we have people from different parts of the world they join.
Yes,
So
yes.
somebody will teach Indonesian music, somebody will teach Rajasthani music, somebody will teach Hindi, somebody will teach Malayalam, Telugu. So everybody gets connected into different languages.
ओके सर वन मोर थिंग अगर मैं इसके लिए 2022 में एक नेशनल लेवल पे अगर हम एक वर्कशॉप में वेबिनार ऑर्गेनाइज करती हूँ
Okay.
जो आपका ये आइडिया है इसको इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए क्योंकि मेरे साथ में काफी लोग हैं जो रिटायर्ड भी हैं एक्चुअली बट
Yeah.
वो भी कुछ करना चाहते हैं मुझे लगता है अगर इस तरीके के लोग अपने साथ में जुड़ते हैं तो बहुत जल्दी हमें रेस्पॉन्स मिल सकता है क्योंकि हम राजस्थान में मैं केवल जहाँ पे रह रही हूँ यहीं पर ही तो मैं ऑलरेडी काम कर रही हूँ लेकिन मेरे साथ में एज ए मेंबर बहुत सारे लोग जुड़े हुए हैं
Okay.
और वो मेरे से कैसे रहते हैं कि हमें कुछ इस तरीके का काम मिल जाए ताकि हमारा टाइमली जो एक्सपीरियंस है वो भी उनके काम आ जाए और वो कहीं ना कहीं एंगेज रहे एक्चुअली
Yeah. And you can register your small institution with the National Open School Programs. NIOS.
ओके ओके अगर हम स्टार्ट करते हैं तो बहुत सारे रास्ते अपने आप ही खुल जाते हैं बट अभी कहीं से स्टार्ट होना चाहिए जो बेसिक चीजें होती हैं अब कहीं से शुरुआत करेंगे तो अपने आप रास्ता खुलता चला जाएगा
Sure. Really good.
yes okay okay thank you so much sir nice to meet with you and once again I will connect with you
Sure.
to elaborate and for implement this strategy and thank you once
Wonderful,
again sir
wonderful.
for being with us
Wonderful.
thank you so much
Thank you. Bye.
namaste sir
Namaste.